Hi, this is John. He is an entrepreneur and the CEO of a small cap public company. John has a lot on his plate. John's mission is to get more customers to add to his public company's bottom line. John has a problem. He is having trouble getting the company's story heard by the right investor audiences. John's vision for his company is to have a distinctive identity among investors, one that is clear, meaningful, and unmistakably unique. Then, one day, John heard about Equity Relations, an investor awareness firm specializing in small and micro-cap stocks. Equity Relations' investor awareness campaign not only bridged the gap for John, it filled it with a steady pipeline of interested investors ready to invest in companies like John's at a price that was so competitive that John couldn't afford not to take advantage of it. By combining a customized explainer video, like the one you're watching now, unique blog content, social media, and a proprietary portfolio of microcap newsletters, Equity Relations is now exposing John's public company to hundreds of thousands of interested investors every month. After that, the company's stock volume has been increasing exponentially, and now, when he releases news of his public company's lasted achievements, he has an opt-in email list of interested investors and potential investors waiting to act on it. Would you like to be as happy as John is? Then what are you waiting for? Equity Relations can have you singing a different tune in as little as 2 weeks. Contact us today.